Simplicity. That's probably the best way I could ever describe her cooking style. My grandmother was a master of the high-low effect. You know, taking something simple and then elevating it to a point where it was sort of elegant. I get it honest. And I think to the degree in which you lack resources is the degree in which you gain creativity. And it's with that ingenuity that I sat at the foot of a master professor, soaking up all the knowledge I could ever gain. I can remember pretty vividly our Saturday mornings. They were routine. We started cleaning early and didn't stop until the house was as tidy as it could be. A little music to set the mood. The place smelled of bleach and pledge wood polish. Right after we were done, we were off to do our weekly grocery run. Besides the local church, the gathering spot was the meat market. It's the place where everyone stocked up on fresh meat, chicken, fish, beef, turkey, cold cuts, you name it. You asked for what you wanted by how much you could actually afford. $8 worth of chicken wings or $4 worth of smoked turkey necks. It was sort of an adopted language that you not only developed over time, but began to understand more and more. Chicken. It's a complete staple in our community. It's cheap, it's versatile, and when you need dinner on the table quickly, it works. Either way you sliced it, pun intended, we ate lots of it. Usually fried or smothered. You could smell it from the street as you walked to the house. You knew good times were about to happen. Delicately seasoned, I'll take a fresh chicken and rub it with a mixture of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and dried fennel. A dousing of olive oil helps the cause. On the bottom of the pan, diced onion, bell pepper, celery, they all go down. They'll help create the flavor basis for the gravy, which is super easy. A can of cream of chicken soup gets mixed with chicken stock along with a spoonful of arrowroot powder. It gets cooked in a cast iron skillet that's been preheated to 400 degrees. High heat is what you're going for. Cast iron will help you distribute the heat really well, and the oil, it helps create a crust and seals and locks in all that delicious flavor. This happens when the chicken is just about cooked through. Then the whole thing goes back into the oven with the lid to cook all the way through. Meanwhile, what became of yesterday's collard greens gets remixed for today. An opponent of waste, my grandmother always found a way to use what she had. Cream cheese, Parmesan, butter, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, go into a pan until it all melts together. Then chopped collards go in. Either what you cooked that's left over or frozen is definitely going to work. Everything gets slowly combined until it creates one beautiful mixture. Then you keep it on low until your chicken is ready. When the chicken comes out, it'll be bubbling in the gravy. One taste, and you sort of get it. You understand what I mean. You can taste the pride and joy in each bite. You realize the struggle, but you can also taste the triumph. Each bite nourishes you, and each bite encourages you. You've got to give this a try. For recipes just like this, you know exactly where to go. They'll be on the website, dariuscooks.tv. There's two things I want to tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food. Until next time, I've got to wish you happy cooking from my heart to yours.